In this video, I'll be showing how to replace an engine torque strut mount on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located under the vehicle and on the engine. Let's get started. Now with our vehicle raised and supported, I'm going to locate our drive shaft. Since our model is equipped with all-wheel drive, it is held in with two 15mm bolts. Go ahead and remove those. Keep a hand on the drive shaft while you remove these. Now slowly lower the drive shaft. Set the bolts aside. Now we're going to move along to the back side of the vehicle, near the muffler and the evap canister, to remove the drive shaft from the rear differential. I'll be using a pry bar and I'll just pry it out. Now slide it out. Now I'm going to use a stand to support the drive shaft while I remove the other side. I'm going to take the same stand with a piece of wood to support our engine while I remove the torque strut mount. As you can see, it's firmly in place. Now we have access to our torque strut mount bolt. It is a 18mm, go ahead and remove that. And set it aside. Now for our last bolt, which is on the engine side. It is also a 18mm. I'm just gonna break it loose. Here's the bolt, and there it is. Now I'm going to go and hand thread on my bolts. First, the front mounting bolt. And now for the rear one. Now I'm just going to snug both of these down. Now we're going to torque this to 59 foot-pounds and then 45 degrees after. Now we're going to torque the rear bolt to 74 foot-pounds and 120 degrees after. Now we can go ahead and remove our engine stand. Now for our drive shaft. I'm going to slide in the front portion first. Keep in mind the orientation of the bracket. You do not want to install this backwards. Slide it fully all the way in. I'll repeat the process for the rear side. Now I'm going to hand thread on my two 15mm bracket bolts. Now I'm just going to snug them down. Now we're going to go ahead and torque these to 43 foot-pounds. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.